In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find a font in Cinema 4D. If you've ever spent too long scrolling through an endless font list, this will save you time and help you make decisions faster while you design. Start by selecting a text object in your scene, or create one if you don't have it yet. With the text object selected, head to the Attribute Manager and open the object settings. Look for the font field and click the drop-down to open the font list. At the top of that list, you'll see a search bar. Simply start typing the font name or even just part of it. Cinema 4D will instantly filter the list based on what you type, so partial names, common prefixes, or even Foundry tags can help you zero in on the family you want. It's not case sensitive, and it will group family variants together, making it easy to spot regular, bold, italic, and other styles. As you search, your text object updates live in the viewport as soon as you highlight a font, so you can audition options quickly. Use your arrow keys to move up and down the filtered list and watch the text change in real time. If you've filtered too far or want to see the full list again, just clear the search field and you're back to the complete library. This approach is ideal when you know the name or a portion of it and need to move fast. If you're using an earlier version of Cinema 4D, or if you prefer browsing by look rather than by name, enable the Show Preview icon inside the font dropdown. This switches the list to a visual preview, displaying each font in its own style so you can judge the shape, weight, and character at a glance. Then use your arrow keys to cycle through while your text object updates live in the viewport. This is perfect when you can picture the style you want, say something geometric, script, or condensed, but can't recall the exact name. A quick heads up. Generating previews for very large font libraries can be a bit demanding, so if things feel sluggish, turn off Show Preview once you've found a match. Between the fast search bar and the visual preview mode, you have two efficient ways to land on the right font without breaking your creative flow. Keep your text object selected as you browse, and zoom in to check letter spacing and legibility at the size you'll actually use. Once you've settled on the font, click outside the drop-down to confirm, and you're ready to move on with confidence.